The Realme X7 series is soon launching in the Indian market, as the CEO of Realme has hinted the same on his Twitter account. In one of his latest tweets, he asked his followers whether they want the company to launch Realme X7 series in India. In another tweet, he also asked his followers what they think about the Dimensity chipsets from MediaTek. All of this suggests that finally we're gonna see smartphones with Dimensity chipsets outside of Chinese market. Now, in case you don't know what this Dimensity series from MediaTek is, this is a series of 5G chipsets for smartphones in every price range. So no matter if it is a budget phone or a mid-ranger or even a flagship, there is a Dimensity chipset for that particular phone. Right now, the Dimensity 1000 Plus is the most powerful chipset from MediaTek, and this chipset powers the Realme X7 Pro. The Realme X7 is powered by the Dimensity 800U. Unlike Qualcomm, whose 5G chipsets are pretty costly, MediaTek offers an extremely good value for money. So talking about the Realme X7 series, assuming that Realme won't make any changes to the specifications for the Indian market, both the X7 and X7 Pro offer a similar design, as both have a single hole punch design on the front and a quad camera setup on the back. There is no headphone jack on either of the two phones, and both have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now, the display on the Realme X7 is a 6.4-inch AMOLED with 60Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. On the other hand, Realme X7 Pro has a 120Hz AMOLED with 1200 nits of peak brightness. Both the phones have the same 32-megapixel selfie camera. The quad camera setup on both the phones include a 64-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and two 2-megapixel sensors. Finally, Realme X7 has a 4300 mAh battery, whereas the Realme X7 Pro has a 4500 mAh battery. Both the phones support 65-watt Super Dart charging. So how good is the performance of Dimensity 1000 Plus? On AnTuTu benchmark, the Dimensity 1000 Plus scores around 530,000. Now, this score is lower than what the Snapdragon 865 scores, but it is higher than the scores of Kirin 990 and the Snapdragon 855 Plus. When it comes to the Dimensity 800U chipset of Realme X7, its performance is similar to the Snapdragon 765G or even better in some scenarios. Well, we don't yet know when Realme is going to launch the X7 series in the Indian market and at what price. In China, however, the Realme X7 starts at 1800 yuan or around Rs 20,000, whereas the Realme X7 Pro starts at 2200 yuan or around Rs 24,000. So, at what price do you think Realme X7 series should launch in India? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.